So this is the Goovis G3 Max, a personal cinema headset that promises a 1000-inch IMAX-like experience right on your face. So what exactly is it? Well, this is not a virtual reality headset like the Meta Quest or an AR headset like the Apple Vision Pro. This is what's known as a personal cinema headset designed to give you a massive, super high quality virtual screen for your movies, gaming, or even work. Now this boasts a 5K micro OLED display with a 1440p resolution per eye and 120Hz refresh rate. So not only a super clear picture, but we're talking about a super fast refresh rate. And we also have this portable Android TV device, which will then give me a portable Android TV experience with that 1000-inch IMAX screen wherever I am. Let's open this up. Now this is all packaged super nicely. You can tell this is a premium product. Here we can see the back of the headset. You can see this is super well padded. Seems to be very soft, very comfortable. Here we see a strap to hold everything together. And this is the actual headset, guys. So again, you can tell this is a very high quality premium product. We can see on the front here, they've got the Goovis logo. This will be an LED light to tell you that it's powered on. You have adjustment for the lens here and also on the side. On top of it, you can see you do have buttons for your brightness adjustment as well as also volume. And here you can see you can also switch on your 2D or 3D mode. So the headset does support full 2D and 3D content. They also provide a HDMI cable. They provide all of the adapters that you need. You get Type-C to Type-C USB cable. You got small HDMI lead. And you also have this adapter here, which means you can plug in any HDMI device, output that to Type-C, which will then go into the headset. So really just think about any device that you have, your Xbox consoles, your portable devices like the Nintendo Switch, any retro gaming console, your laptops. All of these devices can now output their content directly onto the screen, giving you that massive, immersive 1000-inch experience. Then we have this portable Android TV device, so let's open that up. We have a very familiar looking remote control with all of your normal buttons, D-pad, volume up and down. You also got some shortcuts here. And this is the actual Android TV device, guys. I mean, ultra light, ultra slim. We can see here, this will be for the power. You got your HDMI out here. Here we can see micro SD expandable storage. On the back here, we can see it takes Type-C power in. And also bundled in here is the power pack. So I can clip that onto that. Plug in Type-C power here, power that on, and this will then output this picture directly into the headset. So I think the best way to describe the headset is really known as a head-mounted display. So let me now plug it all together. So guys, I put the headset together. It actually comes with this zero pressure head strap, which makes it really comfortable on the back. You can actually tighten it, loosen it from here. Very easy to do. And to be honest, I do feel a bit like Robocop putting this on, but what I've done is I've actually plugged this directly into my capture card. So we have the small portable Android TV unit going into my capture card, and then the capture card output is going to my computer and also to this headset. So you'll be able to see exactly what I see when I put this on. So let me do that now. Okay, so I'm now looking at a super large Android TV home screen. Okay, so this looks like your typical Android TV device. I believe this is running Android TV 11, but I mean, just the size of it, wherever you look, you're looking at a super large, super clear image. And I have to say, guys, the text on this is actually razor sharp. Now you do have these adjustments here. We can actually adjust the focus, one on each side, but this is actually perfect for me. And let's have a quick look at the settings. I mean, this will be just an amazing way for you to enjoy movies, just streaming content, of course, gaming. You could play games directly on this, or you could plug in your Xbox or your PlayStation or your Nintendo Switch. All of them can be plugged directly into this, giving you a massive, immersive 1000-foot IMAX screen. Let's go to settings. Let's go into device preferences, go into about. Okay, so we can see this is running version 11 of Android TV. It is a fully certified device, which means you will get Netflix in 4K. Let's go back. Storage, I believe it's got 16 gig. Yep, we got 13 gigs usable, and it comes with a standard 2 gigs RAM. But, you know, for a fully portable solution where you can, you know, be out and about, you can be in the park, you can plug this in, use the built-in power bank with your device, and you can go ahead and enjoy all of your favorite streaming content pretty much wherever you are. All right, let's try some YouTube. Let's open that up. Now the unit does have speakers built in. Let's try one of these videos. I mean, wow, that really is a a cinema-like experience, because all you can see is just this super large, super clear screen. That is, honestly, I'm lost for words, but that is razor sharp. You can see all of the detail, but that picture is just something else. I mean, it's actually sharper than what you see in the cinema, because you are very, very close to the image, and you can literally see every single hair on the animal's back. Okay, let's try some gaming. Like I said, here we are playing some Forza. That truly is an immersive gaming experience. And you really feel like you are in that car. And as we're using a Wi-Fi for the connection, there is literally zero lag, zero latency. Everything is more or less instantaneous. You can actually see as you're turning right, your head goes to the right. That really is it just adds a whole new dimension to your games. And of course, if you're watching, movies on the large screen, you really will be a part of the action. Now, playing games like Call of Duty or really any FPS games really gives you that true first-person experience. Okay, here I can hear somebody. Yep. Take that. Oh, he did. It's just so much fun. Let's try something else. I still remember when Doom 2 first came out for the PC. I think it came on like I think 6 or 7 floppy disks, but just seeing those graphics back then, really thought this is it. This is the future of gaming. I mean, it's nothing compared to what you see now, but it was always just been an amazing game. But let's go back. Now guys, this headset also supports 3D content, so if I just press the button here, at the moment I'm seeing 2 separate pictures. If I press this button here for 3D, okay, that then puts it all into one picture. I now see a 3D IMAX logo. Okay, think big. Okay, that's actually a really good 3D image. Okay, I can see some branches. Okay, and there's that snake coming out now. Wow, that looks really good. All right, it's getting a bit too close now, but wow, that's a really, I think this is only like a 720p picture, but that effect of that 3D image looks really good. Okay, I think the monkey's pulling that snake now, but so you can imagine actually watching high quality 3D movies, like maybe 3D Blu-ray or 3D DVDs. That would look amazing on this. Okay, so wrapping this up, what are my closing thoughts on the Goovis G3 Max? Well, firstly, I have to say that I haven't really reviewed many AR or XR headsets on this channel, but the whole experience has just been so much fun. It is very difficult to showcase on the camera what I can see inside the headset, but just trust me when I say the picture really is breathtaking. You have that 5K OLED display, so we're talking about deep blacks, really vibrant colors, and literally no motion blur. It does support HDR10. You get 3D movies, feels really, really immersive, and it really does feel like you're sitting in front of a 1000-inch cinema screen. Really great for Netflix, great for gaming, or even just to mirror the screen of your phone. All of that is possible with the Goovis G3 Max. I also love the fact that it's complete plug and play, so any device that you have that has a HDMI output or Type-C output, you can now beam that directly into your headset. So your laptops, consoles, PS5, Xbox, smartphones, even a Raspberry Pi, you can funnel that into this device and see that on the big screen. As there's no built-in operating system or applications, so it's not like the Meta Quest or the Apple Vision Pro, you will always need some kind of external device. But what that actually means is you get zero latency, no overheating, no software lag. It really is super fast, and most importantly, crystal clear. Now, I'd say on the downside, if I had to say something, the speakers are fairly lackluster. So they are positioned fairly close to your ears and offer okay sound. But if you are a serious audiophile, you want that top quality audio, then I would recommend plugging in your own wired headset or using Bluetooth headphones. It really will make a massive difference. One thing I really did love is the level of privacy you get, because wherever you are, on the train, at work, maybe in the park, you can put the headset on, nobody can see what you're looking at, and you can go ahead and enjoy your favorite movies, TV shows, or gaming, or really whatever you have on your phone. It really is a great escape. I mean, we do have to mention the price that for around about $1,000, so it's not a cheap headset. So definitely not for everybody, but if you are somebody that really wants that cinema experience wherever you are without disturbing anybody else, I definitely think this is an amazing device. And just the display on its own, when you see the quality of that display, the sharpness, the colors, the blacks, it really is an amazing picture. And it is something that you have to experience yourself just so you can understand exactly the quality that's available in the Goovis G3 Max. So overall, guys, I absolutely love this device, and I can definitely see myself wearing it when I'm traveling, on the plane, on the train. It really gives that immersive experience. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Many thanks for watching. I will leave all of the links in the video description and pinned comment if you want to check this out. Do leave me a comment below if you've used any other AR headset or any other VR headset, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.